E-fixed head coupe, series 1 in this particular case, series 1 and 2 for the purpose of the video. Center console retrim kit. Again, we're very proud of this. The details really separate us, including even this chrome finisher that's you guys will recognize around the shifter dome. Every piece you need to rebuild the center console, as you see on our webpage, is right here provided to you. Not a particularly easy thing to do from this point on, and a lot of people send us the consoles for perfect results. So as with the other things, we have the labels here that give a real detailed description of what this is all coming in one bag, and this is how you can figure out which piece is which. This is the piece that goes around the main box section. These are the side pieces. We even include the cut polyfoam, so your installers will love that. They don't have to mess around trying to find this 1/8 inch foam, which is very difficult to find, and have to cut it. You just rip the old stuff off and it's all cut perfectly to size with the computer machine, as it is here. Some pieces on the console are leather, some pieces of vinyl. This is leather, of course. That's what we call the ski slope. You'll recognize it. There's the shifter, the chrome finisher, or the fake chrome finisher that goes around it. That's that. That's the cover that's used to cover the shift dome. They were originally done in an unsupported PVC vacuum formed. Nobody in the business has the equipment to do that. So we recommend it gets done in this ambler stretch material, and that is a good pattern to accomplish that shape, to get that covered with the irregular shape that the shift dome is. We include the piping, again, all handmade because you need the extra tail. It's not stock piping. Leather shifter boot. Leather for the dash fascia and the foam that goes underneath it. Again, amply oversized. The dash fascia is much smaller, but we're generous with our allowance of leather and any other material. Even the panels that go within the console, that goes on the lid, and that one goes on the bottom. So you just chunk your old ones and put the new ones in. The leather sewn cover with the vinyl skirt as original, with the nice join in the piping at the back as original, and even the polyfoam that's within the armrest itself. So there we have it. The Series 2, slightly different. Shift dome and gator always in black. Oh, my memory, really stretching my memory here. Let me think what else is different. No leather covered radio fascia. We have the molded ABS plastic, actually PVC molded foam piece you guys will recognize with the ashtray. And I think that's it. I think the rest is the same. Okay, so a pretty good overview there, and we'll leave it there. E-Type center console. This is how they look after we weave our magic here at BAS. So we showed you the frames earlier and the preparation, and this is how they look like. I bet your console doesn't look like this. So let's just go through a few things. This hasn't been fixed on yet because the customer did not send us the ashtrays, either being replaced or refurbished. And with the panel kit, you get all brand new panels for the bottoms and the insides, down at the bottom there, and the top lid. All new foam. This is all padded with 1/8 inch foam as original, and it looks beautiful. This is Series 2, so it has the leather shift gaiter for the black. All Series 2s are in black. And there is the shift dome, which is done in one piece of stretch vinyl called ambler, with a very fine join in the middle. It's almost not noticeable. There is no other way to do that. They were originally vacuum formed, and that's as good as it gets for any of us. And we put it down the short end, even though it's visible, because it's longer down this end. That makes sense. the leather. We call this the ski slope, and as a the piping sits nicely in there. Once it's installed, it comes right up like this. This way you can see a little bit of the glue. Of course, all that gets covered. So just take that out, and you can see how the new rubber for the handbrake has been put in. And all in all, it looks fantastic. You can see the original style join here in the piping. They're not easy to do, but we get great results, as you can see. And then the pieces of piping are left for the radio fascia. The customer did not send it to us, so we send the appropriate pieces so he can finish it up. Put it back on because it looks better, and that's it.